Hey, welcome back to Sup Up Your Life, where we go over all things daily healthy living and vitamins and supplements. My name is John, and I am somebody who researches these things ultimately. I take about 32, 33 of these vitamins and supplements each day because I'm immunocompromised, and that's because of a splenectomy I had from a car crash. So today we'll go over Trans-Resveratrol and its benefits, risks, and uses. I do want to suggest, and I highly recommend that you see a medical professional or a doctor before you take any of these, just because they can tell you if it's good for you, one, but they can also tell you if it's going to interact with anything else you might be taking, and what dosage levels you need to be on if you're able to take it. So today we'll go over Trans-Resveratrol and see what it is, right? So it's a stilbenoid that's made up of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. It's a natural polyphenol that's found in red grapes, berries, peanuts, and Japanese knotweed. And it is commonly used as a dietary supplement. It's what I take, and it's known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So how does Trans-Resveratrol work? It functions as an antioxidant, and it neutralizes free radicals in the body. So it activates sirtuins, which are proteins linked to aging and longevity. And it supports cardiovascular health and reduces inflammation in the body. So it functions as an antioxidant. It's got a bunch of healthy properties to it that help boost your immune system and just overall health. And it neutralizes free radicals in the body. Those are potentially cancerous cells that are in your body, or in someone's body. And then it activates the sirtuins, which are proteins that are a part of Trans-Resveratrol that help people not look their age, ultimately. I'm almost 37, and I look like I'm in my late 20s, or in my 20s, let's say. So it helps people not look younger, and it helps them live longer. It supports their heart health, cardiovascular health, and reduces inflammation, which cancer stems from. So some health benefits of Trans-Resveratrol. So it supports heart health, like we said. So it may reduce blood pressure and it helps lower the bad cholesterol, the LDL cholesterol levels. Anti-aging and longevity. So it may promote cellular health and longevity. It's associated with increased lifespan in animal studies. And brain health and cognitive function. So it supports memory and brain function, and it may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. So, anti-inflammatory immune support. It helps combat chronic inflammation, and it may boost immune response. And these are the reasons I take this. So, because I'm immunocompromised, I'm not able to, it takes me forever, because I don't have a spleen, right? Let's start there. It takes me forever to heal from bruises, cuts, scrapes, or being sick. So, this helps with me because it helps me have a better immune system or be able to respond better when I get sick, or it fights off infections faster than it would if I hadn't been taking it. Alright, so some potential risks and side effects. So it may cause digestive issues like nausea and diarrhea at high doses. Possible interactions with blood thinners and medications for blood pressure. It's not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women, and some studies show mixed results on its effectiveness in humans. So, from my perspective, I have not noticed any of these. For women, it's important to make sure that you consult with your doctor or healthcare provider before, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. And then, I haven't noticed any nausea or diarrhea from this. I do take the recommended dose for what I'm supposed to take. I'm not on any blood thinners other than just your normal Advil or ibuprofen, Tylenol, stuff like that. And so far as showing mixed results in its effectiveness in humans. So most of these studies have been shown on animals. However, those are some of the studies. But majority of the studies show that it is it's got a high effect on humans. So that's why I take it. But it's still good to know the risks and things like that, So how you can take it. So they come in capsules, or you can get the powder. It helps with, you can make smoothies or drinks out of it, and I take the capsules. But again, it's whatever is most convenient and comfortable for you. So it's found in red wine and grapes, peanuts, and supplements. The typical dosage is 150 milligrams to 500 milligrams a day, and make sure to consult with your doctor. And it's best absorbed when taken with healthy fats like olive oil, nuts. You can even use fatty fish like mackerel or salmon. So, conclusion. What did you guys learn? So, Trans-Resveratrol is a powerful antioxidant with powerful potential health benefits. It may support heart health, longevity, and brain function. And make sure to consult with a healthcare provider before you use, especially if you're on other medications. Some references and further reading. So make sure that you guys fact check me. Make sure that what you're seeing is right. Make sure that it's right for you, and that way you're supporting yourself. You're helping yourself out in the long run. Scientific studies on trans-resveratrol's effects, which is something I definitely recommend. That way you guys know if this is something that's going to be even worth your time looking and taking, making sure that if you're taking anything with it. So that's the main thing. You want to make sure that if you're taking anything, you don't want anything to negate its effects. So I don't know any off the top of my head, but of the 35 things that I take each day, including on my medication, it's important to know if there's something that's going to cancel out the effects of trans-resveratrol or anything else you might be taking. So if you take trans-resveratrol, let's say, and then you're taking a medication, it could either increase your blood pressure or make people lightheaded. So again, I'm going to stress making sure that you guys check out with your doctor. I don't recommend looking up online what you're taking. While it can be a quick help, knowledge, like for reference, I would make sure that you're still consulting with somebody, telling them exactly what you're taking, the dosages, and making sure that it's all right for you to take. This is one of the better supplements out there. It's shown to help out a lot of people so far as fighting cancer, helping them look younger and live longer. So these are just some things that I recommend. Make sure that you guys check up on the trusted health websites for more information and recommended supplement brands. So making sure that you get them from a trustworthy provider. And I hope that helped you guys. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you had fun looking at this awful PowerPoint. But if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments. I don't know if I already mentioned this or not, but I did write a book called Crash Course in Healing, and it's supplements, vitamins, herbs, and it's just a bunch of stuff that will help you. Because I'm in recovery, it will help. It's a quick reference guide. It's got a bunch of different vitamins, pictures, and it's got some insight on how you can what you can learn, what you can take, and what you can learn from it. So I hope that helps you guys, and take care, be safe, and I hope that helps. Thanks.